Alright, so today we are going to be unboxing the WPL C64-1. And this one here is with the Toyota Hilux body, dual cab. So as you can see there, I'm not sure if you can see inside. It's also got a sunroof. It's a little bit hard to see with the reflection of the lights there, but I'll try and get a better shot. There is all nice detail in there of the car seats and the steering wheel and the whole complete dashboard and stuff like that. Obviously, I haven't put any stickers on it yet. Just pulled it out of the box, only just arrived today. So apart from the car, obviously, so also in the box we do get a 500 milliamp 7.4 volt battery. Got the 4-wire connector there, and with that battery, if you haven't seen this already, it actually sits in the back here. So you lift up this little box and the connector is in there for the battery. And there is also two little tabs in there, so the battery can sit in there nicely, and it won't shake around everywhere. So as you can see that's how it sits in there. I'll try and get that in focus for you. There we go. You can probably see that a little bit better. There you go. That's how the battery sits in there. Obviously put that wire in there and that lid shuts down nicely. We have our power switch under there, just a little red sliding switch. All right, so here is the transmitter. Nice little compact size transmitter. Great feel on the steering wheel. It's not rubber, but it's got like these little, little divots in there, so you can get that nice grip. It is proportional steering as well. I'll show you that a little bit later. Nice small hand grip and easy to drive with one hand. So, you can hold the camera in one hand and steer with the other. You've got your trim on the top. You've got your speed rate, so you can do a crawl and you can go a little bit faster when you hit that button. And then you've got your drag brake button as well. So you toggle that on and off, takes the drag brake on and off, and obviously your power switch to power on the transmitter. But if you do press and hold the speed rate button down, you will be able to turn on your front headlights. All right, so I've got the car powered on. I'll just show you the proportional steering while I'm here. So that's pretty good. It's only a small little 3-wire steering servo in there, but it's not too bad. It's pretty quick, pretty responsive. And the steering servo will change once you change the speed rate on this. Once you put into like a slower 4-wheel drive mode, the steering does slow down quite significantly. You can see that right there. It's not as rapid and aggressive like it is on the other mode. So anyway, going back to the lights, press and hold this button and lights turn on. And there you go, you have front headlights. And that's really all you have. You don't have any rear lights on this. I haven't put the battery in properly. They're just stickers for the back. But yeah, headlights on the front there, press and hold it, turn them back off, and there you go. Also in the box, you do get a nice sort of chamois cloth to keep your car nice and clean. It's got the WPL logo on there, and also your bag of goodies. So I haven't opened up this yet, but obviously what's in there is like your snorkel, your door handles, your headlight, your top lights for the top of the bar there. They go up here. And what else do we have in there? Oh yeah, we've got the stickers in there too for your lenses and so forth like that, and door handles as well, and your mirrors. Nice plastic chrome mirrors right in there. So we'll put all these on a bit later. All right, so let's talk about the car. Like I said, dual cab Toyota Hilux. Friction shockers. Some of the shockers did fall out when I opened up the box because they decided to really pack it in and everything just sort of fell apart. But it was just a simple click and everything just pushed back together. Yeah, like I said, friction shocks, but yeah, non-oil filled. You can see how very soft they are, but they do look adjustable. Like I think you might be able to screw these up. Yeah, they are screwing up a little bit. I think I haven't really had a good look yet. But then they've got, you got your fake little dampener in there too. But they do look good. You got your dual wishbone all underneath. Everything is plastic underneath, and I think including the bearings as well, They are, everything's just plastic, so, and non-adjustables. You got your tail shafts are plastic, 4-link suspension is all plastic, plastic differentials I would say. Yeah, but it feels nice. Tires feel very nice and soft and grippy. They really feel like a good quality type rubber, which is good. And if you have a look right at the front, they've actually got a fake winch. So they've hidden it right underneath. Like, they've got the provision for it on the front, right there, but it's actually fake under there. So they've been hiding that the whole time. Yeah, that's the front there. 3-wire servo, probably did mention that before already. But yeah, the only adjustable link is from your steering servo. Everything else is fixed. The drag link is fixed right there, and nothing adjustable underneath either. Oh yeah, and you also do get spare parts for your tail shafts. You get little mini uni joints that you can replace in case you do snap them. I'll try and get a shot on the inside, and there you go. You can see how nice and detailed that is there. You got your little dual gear sticks there. Steering wheel, got your seats, got the detail of the piping and the stitching on the seats there. Center console, and also you do have a sunroof. I'll see if I can get a nice shot there. There you go, you can see that a little bit better. Nice seats, center console, through the front window. Let's try it this way. It's a little bit hard because of the reflection of the plastic. Let's try this side. There you go, that's better. There you go, nice detail on the dashboard there. Looks pretty awesome inside, and also the back seat as well. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Nice little truck. I was hoping there were rear lights in there, but they're not. Maybe in the future I could possibly run some wires in the back and get some red taillights happening right there, which would be pretty cool. So overall, this is my first little 1/16 scale crawler. So yeah, I'm looking forward to taking this out and give it a crawl, see what it goes like. I do have my 1/10 scale RGT HSP crawler, which I do take out sometimes, and I've got a few videos on that, but I haven't taken out a crawler of this size. All right, so just show you the comparison size to my 1/10 RGT crawler right there. So you can see there is obviously a significant difference between a 1/16 and a 1/10 scale. See that right there. And I'll get a better shot there from the front as well, so you can see the difference. The only downfall with this little car is you cannot take off the body. It's all screwed down. So if you do need to do any modification and stuff like that, it's literally, you know, you got a whole stack of screws that you do need to take off. And if you do want to put in a little dude in there, you're going to have to unscrew this whole thing, and maybe I'll buy some little accessories as well, like I've got here on my HSP. See if I can buy like a little mini jerry can and some tracks and stuff like that. So yeah, it should be pretty cool. Also does have some nice flexibility, which is good. That's what we're after. So when we go to that rough terrain, it's going to look really good, and it's going to get all over those rocks and so forth like that. So yeah. It's got a nice slow crawl rate on it, which is good. And that got over that really good. So this is with drag brake off. So when you just push the button, where am I? Push that button. So drag brake is on at the moment. You can see the wheels just instantly stop. Push this button once. You can see that. You can see the transmission just rolls on there. So that's with the drag brake off. Nice. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. As you can see, I've shown you a few things about it and a little bit of a test drive just down the hallway of my house. But what I will do is I'll get it all dressed up. I'll get all the stickers and all the steps and the lights and everything on there, and I'll take it out probably for a nice run down at the park, through some up and down hills and stuff like that, a little bit of mud, and see how we go with it and see what it is really like as a 1/16 scale. So guys, I'll leave a link in the description where I got one from. I think I only paid $68 for one of these. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description so we can get one from. And like always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.